Stand up. Kunu qawwamina lillah shuhada bil qist. And you should be witnesses to whatever is just. You should be enemies of injustice. That is the importance of justice in Islam. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu kunu qawwamina bil qist shuhada lillah. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu kunu qawwamina lillahi shuhada bil qist. And these two things are interchangeable. Allah is the just one. When you are standing upright for Him, you are standing for justice. Kunu qawwamina lillahi shuhada bil qist wa la yajrimannakum shana'anu qawmin ala alla ta'dilu. And look to it that the enmity or hatred of a nation should not be able to take you away from justice. You have to do justice even to the enemy. Ala alla ta'dilu i'dilu. Do justice. Huwa aqrabu lit taqwa. That is nearer to taqwa. And without taqwa you are nothing. Without taqwa you won't get anything in the hereafter. And justice is nearer to taqwa.